Good morning. We are seeing some very unusual temperatures to start off the day. 65 degrees for us here in Macon. Typically, Macon's down to about 45, so a huge change. We're also seeing some very high dew points right now with only about a degree off from the actual temperature. So one big thing that's causing all across middle Georgia is going to be lots of fog, and that's something the National Weather Service emphasized earlier this morning in their statements. We are going to see some patchy to dense fog out there in portions of the mid-state for the next few hours. So that's going to be the big thing to watch for the first part of the day. And right now you can see that fog developing in Warner Robins. Also some wet roads left over from that rain we had late last night, and that's going to continue later today as well. Now, as far as the rain right now is concerned, we're looking pretty good. Now, again, you are seeing some wet roads out there, but no rain over the next few hours. But we are going to see more developing, especially when this front you see stalled down towards our south begins to shift further towards the north. Rain changes should return at that point in time, and if we get enough sunshine, there's a chance we can also see some thunderstorms out there, and that's something we saw yesterday when we had the severe thunderstorm warnings and even that tornado warning. We had a little bit extra sunshine in the afternoon. Thankfully for today, it is projected to be cloudy throughout most of the day, which is going to help those severe weather chances just a little bit. Now, when it comes to today's chances, still can't be completely ruled on out. There is a pretty good chance that we might see maybe one or two stronger thunderstorms developing in South Georgia. Could even be as far north as a spot like Warner Robins. But overall, the timing of this is mainly going to be during the late afternoon or evening if they do pop on up. Over the next few hours, we're looking pretty good if you need to be out there on the roads for any reason. Now, again, let's go ahead and talk about the area here where it's projected to be, mainly down towards the south of both Perry and Warner Robins down there. There's also a pretty good shot further down if you're traveling towards Albany that they could see some stronger thunderstorms developing as well. Now, this model didn't show a whole lot of rain moving through, but there's a chance it could develop if you see less cloud cover than what we saw on this model right here. And our main threats overall are going to be strong winds and heavy rain. Those are the two big things we're going to be tracking here. And if you do have a thunderstorm popping up, can't rule out some frequent lightning like we saw yesterday as well. Last thing I want to show you is going to be a quick look at your 7-day forecast. Over the next couple days, the mid-60s is possible for that high temperature. Then we're going to see another cold front pushing through to start off the next work week, where we're going to have much more winter-like conditions move into the southeast. Now I do want to show you a quick look at your fish and game forecast brought to you by Harrison's Body Shop. The best time for later today is going to be right around 2:20.